smartphone. It could be your logo for your social media post, ebook cover, and so on and so forth. So let's go there. All right, I'm going to show you two of my secret weapons that I use to create beautiful graphic design, social media posts, Instagram, ebook cover, and so on and so forth. So, and the two app that I use on my Android phone is Canva. This is Canva, and then the second one is Word Swag. This is Word Swag. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to start with Canva. Canva is a beautiful app that you can use on your mobile phone to do different graphic designs, and you can download it on your Play Store. Then you sign up with your email address. It could be Yahoo or Gmail, anyone can go. So here is Canva. There are different beautiful design you can create. Let's say for instance you want to create Instagram post. You can pick any of this, Instagram story, Facebook post, whatsoever you want to do. Let's say I want to create a card or a post for Twitter. Let me pick this one. So with this, I will just click edit. All right, it's here. Then when I double tap it, I'll be able to write whatsoever I want to do. It could be that I just want to say I love you. That's what just comes to my mind. So I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. So I can come here and then insert my own picture or anything I want to advertise here. Click here. I could pick any of my image. I think this is my son. Yes. So I can just do this, adjust it to what I want, edit any of the things I want here, and that is all. That is that. As in I'm done. I'll just click here and download it. So I have done what I want to do. You can do it to do so. You can use this Canva to do so many things. But then the next thing I want to show you is how to create beautiful book cover. As a writer, I used to create different book cover for people. I have a lot of clients. Sometimes they call me and I'm not with my mobile phone, but then I will just quickly go to Canva and then create beautiful book cover for them for free. So there are a lot of things you can do with Canva. Here, these are my design. Okay. Sorry. So I've downloaded that. I can use it. It's already automatically in my graphic, it's automatically in my gallery. So let's say I want to create book cover. All I'll do is I'll come here, scroll down. You can create beautiful custom thumbnail for your YouTube channel. You can do that. You can also use it to create album cover and so many things. So this is for book cover. And if you want to see all the templates, you can click here to see all. And another thing I want you to note on Canva is that there are some templates that are free and there are some that are paid. So like this one now, as you can see, is free. Then this one is free. This one is free. Then this one is $2. For you to use this one, you have to pay $2. So anything I want to do, I want to create beautiful book cover for my clients. Let's say like now I'm talking about graphic design. I can pick this. I'll just pick it, edit it, insert picture if I want to. Click on edit, insert picture, change the words if I'm not okay with it, and download it, and I can send it straight to my student or my client. So there are beautiful things you can do with your smartphone. A lot of design, as in you can design almost anything you want. You don't have to have a system, or you don't have to have a Photoshop or anything. Like great graphic for you. I can just put for you anything I want. So here I can click here and then put my name, Ijapari Gang. That is it. So I'm done. So here is it now. This I will just click on download and it will go straight to my gallery, and I'll send it to my students, be it through email address or whatsoever I want to do. So that is that about graphic design. So you can go ahead and explore this Canva. There are a lot of things you can do, and if you have any question about graphic design, anything on YouTube, you can just go ahead and ask me the question in my comment box. For now, that is that about Canva. Then the second one is Word Swag. I want to show you how I use Word Swag. Is another beautiful one that I use especially for my Instagram. That is so simple and easy. You can just download it on your Play Store as well. There are different options when it comes to Word Swag. So this is Word Swag. And here am I. I will just click on more. I'll click on this. It will take me. I can pick anything I want. Let's say I want to talk about any of this template, but if I don't, I can just click here. I'll click on crop, double tap it, all right, double tap it and then put in something. Let's say I love you again. I love you so much. I don't know, I'm so full with love this morning. So here is it. So I can change the color of the image to anything I want. I can change the color. Good. I can change the style. So let's say I want to change the style like this. Can you see what I am doing? So I can change it to any style that I want, anything I want to do. So you'll be imagining how these people are doing beautiful things. So you see, this is it. I can drag it, I can extend it, I can do anything I want with it. So that is it about style. And I can add my logo. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know I have logo. So there are different things you can do here, right? So you can change the style. You can change the style to this, anything you want. So I love you so much. I'll click on save, and it will ask me to if I want to add logo or I don't want to add logo. So I can go ahead and add my own logo to this. And if I don't want to add logo, I'll just save it and I'll share it. All right, add logo. Okay. So I can go ahead and add my logo, and if I don't want to add my logo, then that is it. It will just save automatically to my gallery. So that is that about beautiful things you can do with okay, sorry, I'm not supposed to come back here. Let me delete it. Yes. So there are so many things you can do with Word Swag. I can show you different beautiful pictures that I create with Word Swag. There are a lot of things you can do. There are so many things you can do with your phone. That's why it used to pain me when I hear people saying that they don't have system. That's why they can't do this, they can't do that. So with this now, you know you have seen a lot of things you can do with your mobile app. And I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you get more notification for our videos, especially on how to use your mobile phone to do amazing things on social media, to create so many contents, be it video, be it editing, how I use this mouse. As you can see now, for if you are a coach or you teach people online, I'm sure you'll be wondering how I'm using this point or cursor or mouse or whatever you call it. So I have a video on how you can do that. Is in the description of this video. There are so many things you can do with your smartphone. So I hope and I wish and I pray that I will see you in my next video. So bye for now.